Hey guys, today we are going to be learning the song Don't Start Now by Lipa, which is actually the most popular play-along video that I've ever made on my channel. For some reason, it's the one that sort of took off and a lot of people are using it. But we're still using only our C, A minor, and F chords, which by now you should know pretty well. But what we're going to do, it makes this song maybe a little bit more challenging, why it's the third song that I teach you and not the first song that I teach you, is that instead of just 2 patterns to remember, you have 3 patterns that you have to remember. The other thing that makes this one a little bit of a challenge is that there are no breaks. There's no hand breaks at all built into the song, meaning you have to play it from beginning to end. So I'm going to take you through each one of the 3 patterns. And then when you are okay with this, you can try the play along video or just try playing through the patterns to make sure that you get it the way that you want it, you feel comfortable. All right, so pattern 1, the verse pattern. This starts on an A minor, and this is the first song to this point that is started on anything other than C. So you have to remember that you're starting on an A minor. Now the verse in this song is the part that goes, did a full 180. That's the part, that's your verse. What you have is you have 2 A minors, 2 Cs, 2 Fs, and back to 2 Cs. And the strum is a little bit slower in this song. I actually am taking it at half speed with the strumming so that your hand gets a little bit of a break on its own, just not having to strum super fast. So you're going to start on an A minor. Remember, it's your middle finger on orange. And we're going to try the verse pattern. Okay, so here we go. Ready, play. And A minor, 2, C, 2, F, 2, C, 2. Again, A minor, 2, C, 2, F, 2, C, 2. Good. So it's easier when the strums are a little bit slower. Instead of trying to do 4 strums on each chord, you would be going so fast, it would just be frustrating. Now let's take a look at the pre-chorus pattern. Now in the song, the pre-chorus is the part that's, if you don't want to see me dancing with somebody. That's what the pre-chorus pattern is. And it's the same thing twice. It's 2 A minors, 2 Cs, 4 Fs. And then you repeat it. 2 A minors, 2 Cs, and 4 Fs. All right, so we'll try that one together, starting on A minor again. Here we go, ready? Pre-chorus. A minor, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. Lift your first finger. Again, A minor, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. Good. So that is your pre-chorus pattern. And then, of course, the chorus, don't show up. Don't start now. Okay. That's what the chorus is. So the chorus pattern also starting on A minor. A minor is like the star of the show in this song. 4 strums on A minor, 2 strums on F. So that's an easy transition. You're just adding your first finger. And then 2 strums on C. Then it goes back to A minor for 4. Add your first finger, F for 2, and then C for 2 for your chorus pattern. So let's try that one together. Okay, so A minor. Here we go. Ready? Play. A minor, 2, 3, 4. Add your first finger, F, 2, and C, 2. Back to A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add your first finger, F, 2, C, 2. Good. So you'll see in the play along video, there'll be a little star that kind of moves over top of the chord that you're supposed to play. But with a slower strum instead of a faster strum, it will make it a little bit easier for you to go ahead and play through the whole song. So I look forward to this. This one is always really fun, and I'm super proud of how well you guys have been doing. So enjoy this, and we'll play it together soon.